Welcome back to TradeProFX. Today is another amazing video. So this video I did about the 30 trades over one. So we reached at 30. So I'll just be going with the illustration so you can see everything, every window that I'm checking. So I told you I will be using the TradeProFX debot.pages and which is this one. That's the volatility 100 which is being used on this platform here. So the first thing is I told you you must start the analysis here so that you can see the green bar and the red bar. And I told you if you want to trade something like over two, you look the green bar and the red bar, you observe them. They should be on either on digit 7, 8, 9. And then if you make sure it is on that point now, you can start now doing your analysis. So let's refresh that so that we can see. And then also let's refresh our reports so that we can see just one demonstration and then we call it a day. So from there, this is what we will be trading. So I told you, you must put your Deriv token here. So I have my Deriv token. I want to connect it. It should be 30 fetch 30 USD, which is on this side. So you can see it has fetched the 30 USD, which is also on the Deriv platform. So this is TradeProFX debot with the analysis tool where to look where when to trade the over one using this one. I told you it picks 30 trades at once. So the best thing is you stay very careful so that you can do some analysis that makes sense. So you just don't run the bot randomly. So I'll be loading this and then we will be using that. So I'll just be trading only one because I already have explained in the previous video how you can do and make better results. So we will only be running one execution, which is one trade. So our target is 33, and then from there you can also be growing your account. And I've told you this bot will be on the TradeProFX debot. So if you have not been using this one, so just stay aware that anytime it will be running there, keep watching so that you can get to see how and use it, how it will be faring. So if you have any question about this boat and you can maybe add some, you can tell me to add something from it, just comment below and then we can see how to we can do and maneuver using it. So our analysis tool is there and then you click that way. So let's wait for it again to load. So it's taking some bit. So we want volatility 100, which is what we are using to execute trades. Then click start so that we can see where the green bar and the red bar are. Yes, we can see they have not adhered to our decisions that it should be on the digit 7, 8, and 9. But because we want for demonstration purposes, we want these digit pair analysis to be on either the pair digit 6, 7 or 8, 9. So like this point, it's 96% confidence. Let's wait for at least to be on this zone here. So or hit 99% like that. So 97%. So we can execute a trade. So I'll just be waiting one more and then I click start trade and it will execute trades of over one. And this is was what I was doing earlier on that video. So I realized that it never recorded before. So you can see, let's wait for that. If I will be happy, like 95% is not that good. So it's on the digit 6 comma 7. So that one is not very good. Let it be 98% at least. We can have some confidence to enter to that digit. If it will be at digit 7 like that, you see it's still 95%, 96%. We want 98%, and then we can click start trades. So that's what I'm waiting, because also our digits have not adhered. If they were on the digit 7, 8, 9, that will be better off. But now you see it's not on that point. So let's wait and see if it hits 98% on the digit, either digit pair 6, 7 or 8, 9, we click over 1. So I hope we all together, that's how we will be doing, and that's what I was doing before. So I hope now you have understood how the concept was. So you just trade and then you can refresh this boot so that you can update the balance and proceed trading. 4 runs are better and don't overtrade. Just 4 runs are better, or 3 runs. So 94% at 6-7. So we cannot trade using that point. We want at least 98% confidence we can at least trade over one. So that's how you can use your this trade pro FX stick analysis to do some analysis on over under. And comment below if you have any questions. Remember to avoid emotional and revenge. So let's just okay, let me connect these again. So I've connected that. Let's wait again. So it's getting out because of the wrong waiting. So let's wait again. Okay, let's just wait again for it to be on the digit 6 or 7, and then gives us 92% not good at all. Okay, but if it is at 1985 and it is around 95, we can execute a trade. So you can see still not giving us a good entry. So we still have, I usually tell you, just don't trade with emotional. So you have just the power of just doing, looking at what is happening, and just have the patience. So imagine I want only over one, but I'm not getting a good entry point there because I'm doing using the next confidence percentages. So let's still wait. We can see it's at 100 at 4 5. So at 100 we can then risk this point. So let me just click over so that we can see, and you can see it's already a win at 33. That's what I was doing. So you can see it's updating everything. Everything is being updated. So at 33 already. So from there you can refresh there. So you refresh again. You refresh the trading board again so that you can put the token again there. So let's put the token and connect it so that we can proceed. 33, maybe I'll run two of them. I told you three is better. So we can see it's at 93% on the lower side, the digit 0 and 1. So let's wait and see if it will be 100% at 4-5, so we can enter there. So very fast, we are done with that one. So 36, so you can go for only 4 runs. You can see at 36, so you refresh again and then wait for another one. So you can see I'm using the 4-5 because the others are not now giving us entries, but at least like that one you can see 7-8, it's at 86%. That's very bad. So that's why I've decided to use the 4-5, but at 100%. You can see now it's at 90, and we are currently at 36 USD, which is the same as this point. So 100, you see at 100, very fast you have entered, and then we can call it a day. So that is it, guys. Always do that, and just try out and see whether you will make it using it.